before starting every work, we need to define unit, because software are not available to identify the unit by itself. So we have to identify, or we have to provide some command that we need our all work in this unit, and AutoCAD will completely do it for us. So to set up our unit, we have to come here, format, and we have to click here unit, and if we click unit, we'll see a drawing option, unit. This is one way to come here. Other way, press escape on your keyboard to clear everything, then write U N and press enter. See, your unit will come here. So by unit, UN plus enter command, you can open that option. Now length. So what will be the length type? That means what will be your length type? So do you need that in decimal, or do you need that in architectural, engineering, fractional, or scientific? So if you're an architect, then you can select architect option, and if you are an engineer, then you can select engineering option. And also if you need that value, your length in decimal, then you can add that in decimal. Now what is the basic difference between architect and engineering? Actually, architect means, in engineering, 1 inch will be divided in 10 unit, and in architect, your 1 inch scale will be divided in 16 unit. And other difference is, in engineering, you will get that value with point, like 1 feet and 0.7 inch, 1.2 inch, like that. But in architect, you will get that value in a fractional way. Here 1 by 16, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, like that way you will get that value. Okay, so I prefer to work with engineering. Then from here, precision. So what is the meaning of precision? After a point, how much value you need? So I need, suppose here 0. If we have a value like 1.2 inch, then we'll get that 1.2 inch, 1.4 inch, 1.5 inch, but will not get a value like, if you select that option, will not get a value like 1 feet and 1.45 inch. So if you need two value after point in inch, then you need to set that option. And if you need 3, like that, you can select as per your requirement. So I'm going to select that one. And insertion scale. So what will be the insertion scale? So what is the meaning of insertion scale? When you will go for drawing or anything, then if you input any dimension or any data, and if you do not provide a specific unit, then how your software will understand which unit is that? It will consider, if you select inch, it will consider that value as inch. If you select feet, then your value will be considered as a feet. If you select millimeter, centimeter, meter, anything you select, your value will be as per that unit. So I'm using inches. Okay, and here unit for specifying the intensity of lighting. So this is American and international and American, so I'll use international. And here angle type. So if you need, I'm going for decimal. Okay, and precision. So what will be the precision? Here you can select the precision for your angle, but simply I'll select that one, and it's done. And here clockwise, that means if you click that option, your angle will start from clockwise direction. Then I'll go for okay. That's it. This is the way to change our unit perfectly. So in our next lecture, we'll go for a dimension style. So thank you very much.